Hello, trading is closed on February 12th, 2019. As I've been saying, I haven't had much time to look at the market. Perhaps tomorrow things will change, but for now, we'll just go over our calls. We look for higher prices, which we got. One of the pattern with the early low, the late high, all-day rally, which we got. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low, doesn't mean you won't gap up first. We gapped up at a series of higher highs, couldn't hold over any of these highs at the close. The pattern's negative unless we invalidate it by gapping and promptly taking out these highs. Futures have already accomplished that. That isn't a guarantee that we'll do it in regular trading hours, which is what counts, but it certainly is compatible with the hypothesis that the rally's not over. We still have the potential to reach over 2,800 by a little bit with this move. Seemed kind of impossible the first time I mentioned it, but it doesn't seem so impossible now. So for tomorrow, the pattern with the early low, if we don't take this high out early, lower prices print, but based on futures, taking this high out early seems quite plausible, and that's today's call.